You're dying. Oh! 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 Ah! Oh, what shit me? Oh, my TV. God save me, God save me. Whoosh. Whoosh. My time's almost up. Remember me. I'm going down to fight him man to man.
Fighting man to man?
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, he's whacking me with his waterwing, Divock! Oh! He's knocking me!
Plastic food in your mouth! I'm a little teapot, drunk and drunk. Oh my God, I always wanted to say that. You idiot. Oh, he broke me through the window.
That's why I'm an idiot. I'm mentally challenged. Hell.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
It's on me! It's on me! Oh!
How do you like me now, loser? Reveal your face. Fisher Price up my bum. Up your bum, I mean. Ketchup up your nostrils. He's really trying to kill me. This guy's tape recorders to kill him. I'm gonna make you listen to Beethoven. You better stop. He's almost dead. I know he's not alive. There's only one way to stop him.